Everyone keeps looking at the expensive iPhone 18 Pro models, but Apple's biggest surprise might actually come from the cheaper side. The iPhone 18e is suddenly looking like the phone that could shake up the entire iPhone lineup. One of the biggest rumored changes is the design. Apple could finally remove the old notch from the cheaper iPhone lineup and replace it with the dynamic island. That may sound small, but it completely changes how the phone feels in daily use. The dynamic island made the Pro models feel modern and futuristic, while older notched iPhones instantly looked outdated beside them. If the 18e gets this feature, the gap between budget and premium iPhones suddenly becomes much smaller. But there is still one possible catch. Leaks say Apple may still use a lower quality display compared to the Pro models, so while users could get the newer design, Apple might hold back things like brighter panels, smoother refresh rates, or higher-end display tech to keep the expensive models looking more attractive. That decision could decide whether the iPhone 18e becomes a massive hit, or just another almost good enough iPhone. Inside the phone, the iPhone 18e is expected to run a toned-down version of Apple's upcoming A20 chip. The Pro models may use the newest 2nm technology, while the 18e could stay on an improved 3nm process instead. But honestly, that is not bad news. Apple chips are already extremely fast, and even a less powerful A20 version will probably handle everyday tasks easily for years. Now comes the bigger question everyone is asking. Will Apple fully support AI features on the iPhone 18e, or will some tools stay exclusive to expensive models? Apple is pushing Apple Intelligence hard, but there are already concerns that certain features could be limited to make the Pro lineup look more premium. Some users are even worried Apple could eventually hide advanced AI tools behind subscriptions. That would definitely upset a lot of people. The camera situation is also getting interesting. Some rumors suggest Apple may finally bring a dual camera setup to the iPhone 18e. That means users could get both a main lens and an ultra-wide camera instead of the single camera setup used on previous affordable iPhones. If true photo and video quality could improve in a huge way, especially in low light and wide landscape shots. But not every leak agrees. Some rumors still claim Apple might keep a single camera to protect sales of the regular iPhone models. And honestly, that sounds exactly like something Apple would do. The company always likes to create small gaps between devices, so people feel tempted to spend more money. Battery life may end up being one of the phone's biggest strengths. The iPhone 18e is rumored to use stacked battery technology inside its compact 6.1-inch body. Combined with the efficient A20 chip, this could deliver true all-day battery life while keeping the phone thin and lightweight. That is something people actually care about every single day. USB-C is also expected to get upgrades with faster charging speeds and improved file transfers. It may not sound exciting, but those small quality-of-life upgrades make a huge difference over time. Now here is the part that could really shake up the smartphone market. Leaks say the iPhone 18e may start at around $599. If Apple actually delivers premium features, solid cameras, strong battery life, dynamic island, and modern performance at that price, this phone could easily become one of the smartest iPhone purchases in years. Right now, the expected release window is spring 2027, likely around March or April. If Apple gets this device right, the iPhone 18e might stop being the cheap iPhone and become the iPhone most people actually want to buy. Anyway, that is everything we know so far about the iPhone 18e. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.